To make it as quick and easy as possible for you to find the Hubbell solution you need for your next electrical project, industry leader Hubbell Wiring Device-Kellems created a new, comprehensive online catalog with unique time-saving features. Installers, distributors, and end users now have a resource that features valuable information on all Hubbell solutions, making it easier to locate products and share catalog information. Let's walk through some of these features. The online catalog offers new options to customize how you view and maneuver through it. Forward and reverse arrows allow you to flip through pages chronologically, as well as start from the beginning or end of the catalog at any time. The catalog's table of contents displays on the left side of the screen and includes a link to the table of contents in the catalog. Once you find a topic you would like to learn more about, simply click to be taken to that section. Each section has its own table of contents, and selecting any page connects users automatically. The catalog's default view displays information in a spread of 2 pages. Using the switch page icon at the top of the screen, however, you can toggle between single and double page views based on your preferences or the device you're using. With a thumbnail icon, you can also view page thumbnails in a slider at the bottom of the screen to view following pages. If you have a specific product in mind, use the powerful search field to search by the catalog number, product name, or product feature keyword such as receptacle, twist lock, or safety. Search results display below the search box, providing a full list of pages where that information is located. When you find a product you'd like to learn more about, simply click on the SKU or catalog number to access a one-page product specification sheet containing additional information. One of the most powerful features of this catalog is the new Save to Cart feature, which allows you to choose one or more pages of interest and save them to the cart for future sharing, printing, or to the online wish list. Other features of this catalog include the ability to customize the catalog, add notes, comments, and questions throughout the document to serve as reminders. This feature can also be used to mark up the catalog before sending it to someone else. A new crop feature lets you select images or specific pieces of information to extract from the catalog and download, print, or share. Cropping can be easily done with a crop icon at the top of the page. All of these features are available whether the catalog is viewed on a computer, laptop, tablet, or smartphone. This interactive tool helps you easily find Hubbell products and read about the features and benefits they offer. To learn more about the new online industrial, commercial, and residential catalog, visit www.hubbell.com/wiring device-kellem/en.